try it again. How's it going? That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Alright. So I got one of those religious emails from my mother the other day. You guys get those? Sometimes? You're lucky. This one I like especially, though. This one, it was a picture, it was like a meme, a Christian meme, if you will, of this little white girl. I don't know why, it doesn't matter, she's white. Anyway, she's sitting there, she's doing this, and it says, oldest form of wireless communication. No call ever dropped. And immediately I thought to myself, well, then those starving kids in Africa must have the wrong fucking number there. Right? I mean, either that or, you know, God treats their prayers like I treat bill collectors' phone calls. Like he looks in the caller ID and goes, fuck! That's right. There's the T-Bone game this weekend. I'm just going to have to fucking start. Okay. Shit. Too much shit on my plate. I mean, if we're going to talk about, like, if we look at God in the same way we look at, like, parenthood, wouldn't he be, like, the worst dad ever, the worst parent ever? Oh, okay, take the Great Flood, for example, right? The people on earth turned their back on God. And instead of, you know, reprimanding them or poking his fucking head through the clouds and screaming at them and proving that he exists, his brilliant idea was to drown them all like Michael Vick getting rid of some weak fucking puppies. You know? I mean, he could have, you know, he could have grounded us, he could have stripped their sheep away, he could have done so much more. He went straight to fucking drown them. You know, maybe that's why we feel alone. Maybe there's some kind of child protective services in the universe, and after the Great Flood, they just stepped in and said, no, you can't fucking drown your kids. You can't do that. Ground them, do something to them. You can't fucking drown them. You know, if I were God...
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. You're welcome. Alright. Yeah, if I were God, there would be no doubt in anybody's mind that I existed. I would intervene immediately. You know, okay, take, for example, let's say this is the Earth, right? This is the Vatican, okay? The second a priest touched a little boy, right, you would just see my cock, you know, unfurl. You know, God's got to have a big cock. There's no way God's rocking a baby dick. I mean, it's God, right? It's got to be girthy. You would see my cock unfurl from on high and just slam just east of the Vatican. Wipe that fucking right. Problem solved, right? Problem fucking solved. Just saying. Alright. Let's get off God. Because I just got off yours. So I cut myself masturbating again. I mean, it only happens when I black out, you know. It's not like it happens on purpose or anything. I like to push the speed limit, you know. See how fast I can get. Not like how, you know, time-wise. I'm talking about like RPMs. I don't know if you know. I don't know if RPM is a great technical word. JPMs, I don't know. But seriously, you know, I wake up, you know, sometime later and... RPS. Yeah, there you go, right? Fucking right. So yeah, I wake up and I'm covered in blood and stuff. And like, I towel off and there's like blisters and shit. Like my dick and I have been digging dishes all day or something. Damn. Rough. I mean, I masturbate a lot, man. Like a whole lot. Like seriously. I beat my dick so much it flinches when I try and touch it. It's like one of those scared puppies, you know. I gotta reassure it. I gotta be like, okay, cool.
I swear to God, we're just gonna pee. Alright? Just relax. It's cool. You can feel, I know you can feel that. We gotta go, right? Just breathe. Relax, right? Alright, I'm coming in. Got you, little bastard. Then I hear my wife's car door close. I'm like, fuck. Fucking, if she says anything, we fucking fell down the stairs, alright? Clean this shit up. My dick and I. So I've been trying to lose weight lately. In case you can't tell, I'm a little fat. You know, it's rough, you know, like, we know when you're like, you're taking a shower, and you're like washing your back, and so you gotta either really be flexible when you're fat, or you just like wash every inch of you, you know? But like, you know what's the problem when you fucking, like, you find the thumbtack stuck back there. What the fuck is this? Like, I'm smelling it, like, it smells like bacon. Like, I mean, how the fuck does this happen? I mean, I imagine it happened in my sleep. There's no way I just sat on the couch and just and didn't fucking feel it. I had to like rolled over in my sleep. It's fucking sad, man. I'm sensitive about my weight too, man. You know, like, people are dicks, fat people. I can say that. And I'm uber sensitive. Like, you call me fat, it's like calling Marty McFly chicken and Back to the Future. Like, we're fighting, you know, like, my heart starts thumping, I start fucking sweating, and I can just, you know, I can feel my muscles just tense up, and I'm just getting real big, and like my skin's turning colors and shit, and all of a sudden I got like purple pants on and shit. Dude, so fucking, and like, then I get out of breath, and I get fucking Order fucking P90X. Nice to meet you, man. We'll fucking resolve this shit. Alright, guys. My name is Sam Owens, the Hell of the Movie Comedy. One more time for Sam Owens.
Our next guy is, he's like right here.